What's up everyone? Welcome to another compiler video. So we've been trying to solve the argument stuff for quite some time now. It's a little bit embarrassing, but I think I've solved it actually. I've solved it. I've been playing around with the assembly a bit and I figured out why it's funky. So if we compile our program, this one, let's make it a bit more simple. Let's only have two for now. So we're only gonna print two strings while passing them to our function. And let's compile it. And if we run that, that works. Cool. But as we add more arguments, it's going to stop working if you saw the previous video. So I know how to fix this now. So basically, what I did before was that I subtracted 8 from ESP on every one of these strings. But what I think we want to do, or what I know we want to do, is to remove that sub 8 thing. And then what we want to do is, because the thing that's happening here is that, okay, so let's examine what the stack looks like after this here. So it's going to look something like, first of all, we're going to have the address to where it was called from. I'm just going to call it rep. I'm not coding anything here. I'm just trying to visualize what the stack looks like after this, after the block here. So, okay. And then we're subtracting 12, which means that we will add space for 3 empty rows. Okay. And then we are assigning 0x0 to 8 ESP, which will be 4, 8. So we're assigning 0x0 here. And then we're assigning this thing to here, here, and then we are assigning this thing here. Oh, whoops! Come on, here. Wait. And then we're doing we're assigning ESP to -4 EBP, which will be here. So now that pointer will be here. So this will actually contain whatever ESP contained here. So I don't know. Anyway, it's going to overwrite parts of the string, because now it's going to touch. It's here -4 EBP. Okay, -4. That's here. So it's going to overwrite whatever we're doing here. You know. So the way we fix this is actually to add space for this pointer here. If I were to add 4 here in the beginning, like we have done this before actually, that means that I would have had an extra space, and this address here would be put here in this extra space instead. So that thing would be there. Um, and the way we can solve this now to always have that extra space for the addresses is to first have a sip of coffee. And then we would basically, before we push all of these strings, we would subtract the number of strings times 4 to ESP. So that we have 2 strings, so that's 8. 2 times 8, so we're going to subtract that from ESP. So this means that we're going to have 2 rows on the stack left for this address here and this address here. So now if we, well, we didn't have any problems with this code before, but as you see, there's no problem there either. So what if we add some more strings here? Let's add a C string, C, and let's add an A as well. So 3rd, 4th, and let's compile that with our compiler. And if you run this, you can see that we have some errors. But if we go and do the things that I showed you before, if we remove the subtract 8 here, and we apply my subtraction thing before everything, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 strings. So that means we're gonna have to do 4 times 4, which is 16. So so we would do subtract 16 from ESP, and now you will see here that if like if we run this old compile thing, it's broken. But now if we do that and that, you can see it's fixed. So now we just need to implement this in the compiler as well. I can't believe it took so long for me to figure this out. But shouldn't be too difficult to fix it. So am I doing some shit here? Yeah, we're doing this shit. So basically, let's move this into SP. Right, so we're actually going to remove this sub template thing. No, we want that, sorry, we want that because that's the first one. But from the call generator, here we want to remove this 8 thing. Now there is a problem here, however. Let's say you maybe it isn't a problem. Let's just pretend that isn't a problem for now, and we'll see when it becomes a problem. So if we remove this, we're going to remove this, and then we want to do this thing, the first thing we do. So we're reallocating S to prefix. Okay, but we need to do that and that. And then we need to just add some bytes here, and then we're going to we can remove this, and we can add Spring F prefix template, and we will use st value children size times 4. So what do we got now? So we're subtracting 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. Seems to be correct. So if we run that, does it work? No, it doesn't work. So what's wrong? 1, 2, sub 4, sub 16 ESP. Move ESP. Sub 12. Sub 12. ESP 16 ESP. What did I do wrong? Sub 12. Sub 16, sub 12. What? Sub 16 ESP. Sub 16 ESP. So why did it work when I did this manually? What? What's the difference? Sub 16 ESP. Okay, let's do this. cp a.s a.org, and then we're going to compile it again, and we do diff a.s a.org sub 4. So it has a sub 4. What? Oh, I see the problem. Okay. So the problem is that the other calls also get that behavior. So so they are getting these here, but we don't want to get them there. Call. So if Okay. Char final prefix is equal to calc 0. And then we can do no, that's oh well, it can work. It's gonna be ugly, but it can work. Let's just do that for now. And then we will just do 4, and then we will do strcat final prefix. Prefix. Okay. And then we're going to, so we're returning S. So we actually want to do char final string calc sterling S plus sterling final prefix +1. So char strcat final S final prefix and S, and then return final string, and we can free S and free final prefix. Invalid free. Okay. So right, because we might not. Final prefix. So now we're doing 4 of those. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why are you doing 4? 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, it's correct. So the best way here would be actually to, you know, combine these into one. That would subtract 16. But right now it's just easier to do it this way. So what if I run this? Then it works. And yeah, pretty sure that works. So we solved it. So why can I not free this? Oh, wait. No, I have to have a flag for this. So no. Final prefix. Oh, no. Oh, this is wrong. look? No. There we go. Okay, so what if I want to print more arguments? Five, 6, 7. Seems to be working. So what if the first one is a bit longer than the other ones? No. So that broke things. That broke stuff. Wait, it never worked? Print X, Y, C, A, B, C. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, we're missing one. Okay, now it works. First is a bit longer than the other ones. And it works. What if this one is longer? Hello, I am a bit long too, but hopefully it will work. Yeah, it works. It works. That's just awesome. So, finally, no more crying. Finally fixed this. We'll see what I do in the next video. Thank you for watching.